Hi, in this video we are going to, and in the next few slides we are going to look at the network resource management on the eSite server or on the eSite software itself. These are the different terms we use on the eSite: the resource, the subnet, the device, and the group. Device is any device, resource could be any resource, it could be a subnet, or it could be a network or whatever. And subnet is the smaller division of any resource, and group is when you combine multiple devices in the form of a group, and you can manage them collectively as one group. We can create a network element, or we can add any device to the NMS by using either one of the two methods, or either we can add a single resource or a single device by using its IP address, or we can automatically discover multiple devices using a range of IP addresses. Both these options are available. Once we add a device, then we can decide which method we want to use. So either we can use a single IP address to discover a single device or add a single device using SNMP or ICMP. We can use ICMP if the agent, SNMP agent is not present, that is, the device does not support SNMP, then we can use ICMP as well. However, in most of the cases we'll be using SNMP, and this one is for adding a single device. We can also specify a range of addresses, and this will result in automatic discovery of all the devices that have IP addresses within this range. And we can also define if it's a one-off task or we want to schedule it and do it repeatedly. That is, we want to discover devices off and on at multiple times, so that if any other device is added, the NMS can learn or detect that device. So these are the different options that we have for doing the detection or for finding out the new or discovering the devices. Once discovered, we can also look at the devices that have been discovered. We can look at the list of all the devices that our NMS has discovered. We can also, another way of adding the devices is by importing a template in the form of an Excel. One way is to import an Excel file. This is for batch imports, which means that multiple devices can be imported into the NMS at once. This is called batch import using a template file. We can manage the physical resources. For example, if there is a device and we want to look at the physical inventory or the physical components of that device, we can do that. For example, we can look at the frame, the board, the subcard, or the ports on that particular device. We can look at these components of the device one by one. If we select any one of the devices, we can perform multiple functions, or we can play around with the device, or we can monitor or manage the device using these different tools that we have. For example, we can modify its name, we can modify the device IP address, we could telnet the device, or we could ping the device, etc. These are the different tools that we have available for different devices that are added to the NMS. We can also take a look at the have a physical view of the device, of the different ports and their status using the device panel here. This is a very powerful kind of interface which gives us an idea of what the physical appearance of the device is. And then we can also look at the alarms that are associated with the device, and the types of alarms and the details about the alarms if there are any issues on that particular device. Finally, we can query the performance status of the device in a graphical form, that what is the performance status of different components. For example, what is the CPU usage, what is the memory usage, etc. on that particular device, and use that information for troubleshooting purposes. Okay, this was about the basic configuration or the basic concepts related to eSite NMS. In the next video, we are going to look at the security related or security module of the eSite, which is responsible or which can be used for managing the Huawei firewalls. So let's take a look at the next video.